quick demo of this Brother QL-710W label printer. It is wireless. It does have a USB cable that comes with it too. I did plug this USB cable in, went to Brother's website. They have a wireless setup utility that you run with this plugged in to the computer. I did this on a Mac. It only took a couple of minutes. It was fine. I had to put in my Wi-Fi information to connect this to the Wi-Fi network, and then I'm running this Brother P-Touch software that I downloaded from the App Store for Mac. I don't know what the setup process is like on Windows, but it's probably similar. And this is just a sample label. It automatically, whenever I click check media, it automatically figured out that I have these 1.1 by 3.5 inch labels installed. And then you can actually just at that point hit print, and then you could say how many copies. We're just going to do 2. I don't want to take up too many labels. And then you could choose to cut in between the labels or just cut when it's finished printing both of them. I'm going to leave it on auto cut, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and just hit print. And there's nothing plugged in, so it is going over Wi-Fi. I'm clicking print now. And it cut both labels, and you can see it printed them just fine, just like on the screen there. So thanks for watching.